In this video, we will look at starting a blogging channel and why it's a good idea. Have you ever dreamed of having a special place to share your thoughts, connect with like-minded souls, and make your mark online? Starting a blogging channel might just be the gateway to that dream. It's not as daunting as it seems. With the right steps, anyone can embark on this journey. Welcome to Millionaire Ventures Online, your beacon in the blogging universe. Today, we'll illuminate the path to launching your own blog and unveil why it's a pursuit that still captures countless imaginations. Before we venture further, be sure to hit that subscribe button and come aboard as we navigate through the essentials of blogging, ensuring your voice finds its echo in the vastness of the digital landscape. Why blogging channels still matter. In a digital sea brimming with activities, blogging channels stand out as islands where storytelling and wisdom meet. Consider this: 70% of web wanderers still gravitate towards blogs to deeply comprehend subjects, and 55% indulge in blogs regularly. Surprisingly, 45% find comfort in text over video, finding clarity in the written word. These figures aren't just numbers, they're a testament to the undiminished allure of blogging. Imagine you're a culinary enthusiast. By starting a blog, your chocolate cake isn't just a dessert on your table, it becomes a shared delight for readers across the globe trying your recipe. If gardening is your forte, your green thumb tips could breathe life into someone else's rose garden. Blogs are more than digital pages, they're treasure troves of knowledge, experiences, and connections. Let's dive into why blogging resonates even today. In our ever-evolving online world, blogs serve as go-to havens for those yearning to learn, to be inspired, or simply to feel connected. From practical advice on daily challenges to the shared joy of common interests, blogging channels weave a unique web of interaction and community. So, meet Emma, an aspiring writer with a world of ideas just waiting to burst forth. Like many of you, she stands at the threshold, ready to weave her narrative thread into the digital tapestry. Through her journey, and perhaps yours, we'll explore how a blogging channel isn't just an outlet for expression, it's a conversation that grows, a garden that flourishes with every post, and a space that evolves with each shared story. Stay tuned as we chart the course to making your blogging channel a beacon for others, transforming your musings into connections that matter in a world eager to read, learn, and engage. Here's a little guide on how you could start a blogging channel. First, think about what you love or what you are good at. It could be cooking, gardening, drawing, or even telling funny stories. Next, start your blog on a platform like Blogger or WordPress. It's like opening the door to your new personal corner. Now, start writing your stories, sharing your tips, or whatever you love. Invite your friends to read your blog and to share it with others. Keep sharing and keep talking with the people who come to visit. Answer their questions, ask them what they think, and keep the door to your cozy personal corner always open. Blogging channels are like ongoing conversations where everyone can learn, laugh, and share. In a world that's always running fast, they are a cozy spot to sit, share, and learn at a friendly pace. How to herald your blogging channel. Creating a blogging channel is about establishing your unique space on the internet to interact with others. It's a place where you can share your stories, tips, or anything that sparkles in your mind. But how do you create a cozy spot amidst the bustling city? Here's a simplified roadmap to help you set up and sail smoothly in your blogging voyage. First step: discover your domain. What makes your heart hum a happy tune? It could be anything from storytelling, cooking, drawing, or exploring the mysteries of the moon. Your domain is the special garden where your interests bloom. It's important to pick a domain you love, as this will be the heart of your blogging channel. Research and planning. Once you've identified your niche, it's crucial to research and plan your content. You can gather insights from our video Unlocking Shopify Success. Mastering low competition niches for maximum profits to understand how to find less competitive spaces. Naming your nook. Now that you have a domain, it's time to give your channel a name. A name is like a friendly wave that welcomes visitors. It should give a hint of what to expect inside. For example, if you love baking, a name like Baker's Bliss could be a warm invite. Techie tools, platforms like WordPress or Blogger are your online toolboxes. They provide the space and tools to build your blogging channel. It's like having a cozy room with a desk and a pen to write your stories. Pick a platform that feels easy and friendly to you. Narrate your narratives. Now comes the exciting part, sharing your stories, tips, or discoveries. It's like opening your diary and letting the world take a peek. Write as if you're talking to friends. Keep it simple, clear, and friendly. This way, people can easily understand and enjoy your posts. Friendly chats. Blogging is not just about talking, it's about listening too. When people leave comments or ask questions, reply to them. It's like having a friendly chat over a cup of tea. Engaging with your audience makes your blogging channel a warm, welcoming place. Calendar consistency. Imagine having a favorite TV show. You know it comes on every Tuesday at 7 p.m. You look forward to it. Your posts can be like that favorite TV show for your readers. Pick days and times to share your posts and stick to them. This way, your readers will know when to come for the new stories. Sharing is caring. Now that your cozy blogging channel is up and running, tell the world about it. Share your posts on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. It's like opening the windows and letting the sunshine in. The more you share, the more visitors will stroll into your cozy blogging nook. To enhance your blog's visibility, apply the tactics shared in our videos. Unlock secret social media platforms for explosive brand growth and turn strangers into fans. Unseen lead generation tactics. These strategies will help you in promoting your blog and building a loyal audience. Possible pitfalls. Every garden may have some weeds. In blogging, you might face challenges like writer's block, where words seem to play hide and seek, or maybe some days, the visitors are few. It's all part of the journey. It's essential to keep nurturing your garden, keep sharing, and keep enjoying the process. Keep learning. The digital city is always bustling with new updates. There might be new tools or platforms. Keep exploring, learning, and updating your toolbox. It will help you keep your blogging channel friendly, fresh, and fun. In your blogging voyage, each post is like planting a seed in your garden. With time, care, and friendly chats, your garden will grow, blossom, and become a cozy spot in the busy online world. The journey might have its ups and downs, but with passion and patience, your blogging channel can become a beloved spot for many internet explorers. Emma was once unsure of how to share her ideas with the world. But then she started her blogging channel. Now, her words fly like butterflies on the web, making many people happy. Like Emma, you too are ready to start this fun journey, with lots of stories in your heart waiting to be shared on your blogging channel. Today, we shared a simple map to help you start your blogging journey. These steps are like friendly helpers, guiding you as you step into this new world. It's your turn to step into this fun storytelling stream, letting your words reach people, sparking new ideas, and sharing lots of cool thoughts on the big internet space. And as you start on this fun journey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to keep getting helpful guides from Millionaire Ventures Online. The journey of blogging can sometimes be smooth and sometimes a little bumpy. There will be days when words will flow easily, and days when it might be a little tricky to find the right words. But that's all part of the fun journey of sharing and connecting with others. With the right map, you'll sail smoothly, reaching places where your words will find friends in the hearts of readers. The happiness of seeing your thoughts connect with others is a treasure worth every little bump along the way. So, come along with us as we keep exploring the fun world of sharing stories, unlocking more doors, sharing more stories, and finding the joy of shared thoughts and ideas. Each post you share is like a little wave in a big ocean, creating fun conversations, making new friends, and building a nice place where you and your readers will grow together, sharing laughs and learning from each other's stories. Your blogging channel is not just a channel, it's a fun creative space where ideas grow, stories bloom, and conversations are like cheerful birds singing together. It's a place where you and your readers will share the fun journey of sharing stories.